Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Project Squariel. In project management, there's the 80-20 rule that goes along the lines of 80% of the work will take 20% of the time, and the last 20% of the work will take 80% of the time. All I can say is, I hope not, because we're 6.5 years odd down the track of this restoration, and the 80% is pretty much ticked off and done. So what have I been doing since the last update? Well, fortunately, the end of COVID has been a good thing for a lot of people. It's also meant that I've had to go back to travelling for work. So I've been away for a few weekends, so I haven't been able to work on the bike. But I'm back now, and I have been working on the bike. What have I been doing? Kind of the question is more, what have I been redoing? And what I've been redoing is an awful lot. So Square Ariel was widely regarded as the most compact 1000cc motorcycle of its day. It may well still be the most compact 1000cc motorbike. Certainly the big 1 litre sports bike nowadays are pretty big. And the Ariel by comparison, she's a bit chunky, it's quite heavy, but it's certainly not big. And I'm quite sure that the good folk of Sally Oak, when they're putting the thing together, had their own method worked out of what goes where and when and everything. I don't have that factory line kind of knowledge and detail. So a lot of things I've done, I've had to undo things I've already done to do the thing I wanted to do. I must have the oil tank off about 5 times now. I think, oh yeah, that's it, don't need that anymore. Then I go and find there's some nut or something I can't quite get to, so I have to take it off again. I've rerouted the cables a couple of times, I've done lots of things a couple of times. But good news is, what is the good news? Let's have a look. Exhibit garage wall. Listen. And something even cooler. Check out this. So the last couple of weekends have been spent sitting on a little chair beside the bike, doing wires, or redoing wiring. So I think I mentioned at another stage in it, I'd run the wiring loom roughly where I needed it to be, but I had to go back through and once again redo a lot of things and make the connectors where they're in their final place and make sure everything works. And that is achieved. And behind the headlight is very much like a lot of British bikes. It's a rat's nest in there. But everything works and everything's where it should be. I've got a couple of jobs left to do before I can start the thing. I'm still waiting for the engineer to finish with the one of the rocker shafts that I've asked him to redo because just wasn't quite happy with it. And I've fitted the electronic ignition from Dragonfly. Now, the electronic ignition comes with this little spacing plate. It also comes with new clips that are supposed to be longer than the old clip. But, as you can see, it is short, and it is the same length as the old clip. So, I'm having a bit of a debate with Dragonfly at the moment over what the heck we're meant to do here with that. Hopefully that'll be resolved in the next few days, and I mean, they say in the kit, it even gives a number for the new clips, so I need to get them to send them out. I can fit them, and that will be ready to go. I've put all its fluids in today, so I guess we'll see where it's going to start leaking, and how much it's going to leak before it's running. I've got some transfers on the way I need to put on it, and that is it, ready to go. So just a very short video, this one. to let you know that progress is still happening. And I've said it a number of times now, it shouldn't be very long until we try and fire it up. So I just need to get that rocker shaft back from the engineer, and the Dragonfly to sort out that distributor cap clip. Put some petrol in it, see what happens. Okay, as usual, thank you very much for liking my videos. Thank you very much for those who have subscribed and stuck with me along the journey. Yeah, not too many more left, I don't think. You never know, I might even beat Project Binky to the road yet.